Oh, Lamarr Wilson. How you doing? Good to see you. Lamarr Wilson here, back for another video, and I have not done a mystery box since the before times. You remember the before times? You know, years and eons ago when things were normal. So I know this is from Xbox. I saw the address on there. They didn't tell me though. So I'm guessing that it's probably related to xCloud, because I know that drops today. If this is not worth it, then this won't go on YouTube. I'll put it like that. Woo. No knife. Sorry, I mean, it's a knife, but like not the, I can't find it. It's been 6 months. Matter of fact, it's been 6 months as of Sunday that I moved in here and lockdown started. So 6 months alone. I'm not crazy at all. Woo! I'm fine. Now listen, I talk to myself and stuff, but I'm good. Don't worry about me. So let's go ahead and take a. Actually, I'm gonna lower this a little bit because that's okay. Yeah, oh, that's much better. Okay. Okay. So I see what it says, and I'll share it with you first. So it says. Sorry, can you get out the way, please? I like this table better. It's just smaller, and I can raise it up and lower it down. I like it. It says Game Pass, so Game Pass related? Was I wrong? Okay, let's how do you open it? Something's shaking in there. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna get a reaction here. So let's see. It says Game Pass right here. Okay. Welcome to cloud gaming. Oh, okay, so this might be the xCloud thing. Wait. Oh, oh, no. Wait, how did they do this? I'm sorry. Don't have me tear up because I couldn't get one of these. They sent. Let me see if I can get closer. They sent a Note 20 5G. They sent me a note. Do you know what this cost? This just came. When did this come out? This came out in August, right? August 21st, something like that. I was not expecting a phone. Wait, what is this? Oh my God. Oh, it's a battery charger. I normally would be excited about it, but it's branded. Let's get that light off there. It's branded. It's branded by Samsung. Holy crap. So it's USB-C. So you can carry this around and keep gaming. I get it. I'm sorry. Why am I so excited? Now, I didn't watch the Samsung event. In the comments, can you tell me, is this why this is a partnership? Did they show like xCloud with the Note 20? Is that why this is the thing? Because Samsung kind of went out their way and did this branded thing. I'm thinking they did. I just didn't watch the event. Xbox team. I'm gonna have to break quarantine to hug y'all. Let's look at the phone first. This is such a nice looking phone. I've had Notes before, Samsung Notes, and they've never been this light. Holy, this is, okay, okay, this is my iPhone. Why does my iPhone feel heavier? iPhone is wider, see? Oh, that's gonna be great for gaming though, because the wide screen. Let me get this out the way. Let's open up that Kishi while my phone is loading up. Oh, before I do that, bad iPhone, bad. You don't get this. No, you don't. You could have had it, but you want to make every game an app. You want us to download over 100 plus apps, games as apps on our phone so we can play them. Not your favorite. See, this is what happens when I've been alone too long. I'm letting you, this is how I talk normally. But did you hear about that? So that's why it's not on iOS right now, the xCloud thing. Because they trapping. People have made these for so many years. I'm interested to see why Razer is special. If you buy this, by the way, it includes 14 days of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. So that's awesome. I'll throw that code on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I'll throw it on there at some point today, tomorrow. Ooh. This is nice. Look at this. I don't know if you've seen this before. I've seen a video. I didn't know it was this color. This is the Xbox. Okay. This is the Xbox launch edition. Holy crap. I got a cool one. All right. It says Game Pass there on. This is a nice looking. I'm sorry. This is nice. And it says Game Pass right there. You better not use this with no Stadia. So I just want to see how easy this is. So I'm going to put that in. And this, it's just elastic. And then, okay. And then that's it. Now, obviously, I'm going to show you some gaming on it, but that's the way it looks. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so at the bottom of here, there is the charging port. You see that? So it's while you're playing. Here, let's go ahead and simulate this. The phone actually does need to be charged. It's only at like 40%. So I don't know if you heard that, but yeah, now it's charging. Okay, I'm gonna switch over to this format. So again, now you can see this a lot clearer. See the R1, R2. You see the L1, L2. You see the buttons there. This is clickable. You hear that? And the buttons are there. Oh, well, I pressed something real quick while this is loading. While this is like a microphone. Hello? It's been 6 months. Okay. Yeah. Gotcha. Okay. Yeah. Yep. You know what? I don't gotta finish. It's smooth. All right. So let's try something a little bit more intensive. Actually, I just played Water Worlds. That'd be kind of cool to load up. But let's see, what's more intensive than that? Okay, Gears 5. While that's loading, I'll see the back from a different angle. There it is. Very nice. See? All right, so I'm gonna just jump online. I decided to do that. I'm gonna regret this so much. Spawning in 10 seconds. Okay. You know what? I'm playing with other people right now. I'm not seeing any lag here. I forgot how to play it, by the way. How do you run? Wait. I'm trying to remember. Hold on. All right. Okay. I forgot everything. Okay, well. Okay. There's the running. Okay. Okay. Oh, well. Okay. Well, I forgot to listen, the point was to see how this, it's not about me. But seriously, did you see how smooth that was? So again, these are the things that are on the cloud that you can play right away. There's one thing I want to just test real quick, because I know somebody will tell me in the comments, or I'll look it up by the time the video comes out. But when I did this installed to 3 gig. Let's see. Oh, it's just, okay, this is a remote install. Okay, so I can go to the Xbox, my Xbox main, or my other Xboxes. Okay, so that's what that is. It's not to install it on the phone, as I thought. So it's purely just you don't install anything on Android. And these are all the games. Again, if I show them all, there you go. All those games. On your phone. Android, of course, right now. Maybe Apple will get their stuff together, but that's a lot of games. So listen, this is an awesome device. I will put a link below for the Kishi. I'll put the link for the Samsung if you just want to see about it. I think I want to test out. We'll do it here. This table's so dirty, you probably can't see it. Here, I'm gonna see if I can take it out and do it in a relative. Okay, so phone came out, very good. And let's see if I can get this right, because I had problems the first time, and the problem is me. It's not hard, it's me. Line it up, Lamarr. Okay, that's it. Maybe I should be looking on the back. Would that be easier? Oh yeah, it is. It's so much easier if I look on the back. That's what it is. So let me know in the comments below, would you buy a device like this? This is, I think, the coolest thing. However, it might be a little bit too expensive for you, or you're like, listen, I have my own controller, so I'm gonna use this. This is made by a company called Moga. I'll also put this in the description because they put this in a box as well. And you have your own controller that you use. This attaches very securely to it. You tighten these in the back so you can have it how you want. And there you go. You can play just like that as well. So you have a couple different options. Actually, you have several options. I was sent 2 options. Let me know what option you will be interested in if you're interested in cloud gaming. This is included with Xbox Game Pass. You're not paying extra for this service. The only thing you'll be paying extra for is a clamp like this, or you can just get a a pop socket. And this is the iPhone, of course, but if you want to just do it like this, you can just get a pop socket here, put it on the table, and then use your controller and use Bluetooth. You could, not an iPhone though, but you do you. But I'm saying this is actually kind of cool. So let me know what you would try, and I will talk to you in the next video. Thank you, Xbox, again. Appreciate y'all. See you in the next video. Bye.